Before your child chooses engineering, medicine, or any path after class 12, the first step is clarity. The Leap Quest career and future mapping test helps families understand what truly fits a student before big decisions are made. Because choosing a stream is only the start. The branch, the college, and the long-term career fit can shape your child's future in much bigger ways. The real challenge is not just getting into engineering or medicine. Top seats are limited, and the decision gets much harder after that. The branch, the college, and the path you choose can make a big difference to a student's future. Many families aim for engineering or medicine and work hard to get there. But the competition is intense, and admission is only part of the story. Not every college or branch leads to the same opportunities. The bigger risk is not missing a top school. It is choosing the wrong branch or college without enough clarity. That is why deeper guidance matters before such an important decision. Engineering and medicine are strong choices, and for many students they are the right ones. But they are not the right fit for every student. That is why the decision needs to go beyond reputation alone. Career decisions after class 12 should not be based only on prestige or pressure. Families need to look at multiple factors like fit, college quality, placements, and future opportunities. That makes the decision far more practical and reassuring. That is why structured guidance matters. Students need self-awareness, and families need clear insight before choosing a stream, branch, or college. Better decisions start with better clarity. Most parents ask practical questions. Will my child get into a good college? Is the investment worth it? Which branches lead to stronger long-term outcomes? The Leap Quest career and future mapping test helps answer those questions with much more clarity. The goal is not to push students away from engineering or medicine. It is to help them choose those paths with more clarity. The real problem is not the field. It is choosing without enough understanding of fit. Engineering can be a strong path, but outcomes vary a lot. The branch, the quality of the college, and the placement opportunities all shape what happens next. That is why branch choice should never be treated as a small detail. Early education choices can affect much more than families expect. The stream, branch, and college a student chooses can shape the next 10 to 12 years. That is why these decisions deserve real clarity. The Leap Quest career and future mapping test helps families choose with more clarity before they commit. It looks at multiple factors, including aptitude, interests, personality, fit, and future opportunities. That makes the decision more informed and far more confident. Today, students have strong options beyond the traditional paths. Fields like AI, data science, cybersecurity, psychology, UX design, finance, and sustainability can all lead to excellent futures for the right student. These are serious career paths, not backup choices. The smartest choice is not simply the most admired path. It is the one that truly fits your child. That is what leads to better decisions and better long-term outcomes. And when a student chooses the wrong path, the cost can be high. It can cost time, money, peace of mind, and confidence. That is why making the right choice early matters so much. With confusion, students drift. With clarity, they move forward with purpose and momentum. Leap Quest follows a clear process. Your child takes the assessment, and you get a detailed report that brings real clarity to their profile. Then comes a personalized session, a parent consultation, and a 3 to 5 year roadmap. Each step turns clarity into action. Class 11 and 12 are the ideal time for the LEAP Quest career and future mapping test. This is when key academic and career decisions are still open. Early clarity helps families act before options start narrowing. The earlier your child gets clarity, the easier it becomes to plan ahead and make better decisions. As a parent, your role matters. Listen openly, stay supportive, and keep the focus on your child's own path. When you support exploration, your child feels more confident choosing a path that truly fits. The LEAP Quest career and future mapping test gives families practical direction based on multiple factors that matter. It helps your child choose with more confidence and a clearer sense of what comes next. For more clarity and confidence, visit www.thelipquest.com and click Career Counseling for 11th and 12th to take the LEAP Quest career and future mapping test. It is a practical first step for your child's future.